Please calm down.
Stop! Get off me!
Don't make me use excessive force.
Why are you doing this to me?
Please calm down.
Get off me!
You're under arrest for assaulting this woman and disobeying a police officer.
If you pull the fingerprints that are currently on the phone, you will see that they match Bethany's fingerprints.
What? There's no reason to do that.
Ma'am, I need you to be quiet. That actually sounds like a great idea. We will run a fingerprint test and I will be back with the results within an hour.
You are going to pay for this, Simone, you hear me? I'll be back to get my vengeance.
Today's video is sponsored by Word Farm Adventure, but more on them later. All right, Darnell, here we are. Earth to Darnell, we're here at your school.
Sorry, Mom, it's just that I love Word Farm Adventure so much, I just get so focused while playing it.
Aw, don't worry about it, honey. I don't mind because that game is teaching you new words and how to spell it correctly, which is gonna help you get good grades in school. And actually, look what I have.
It's the Word Farm Adventure contest flyer.
Yes, I found this last night while I was cleaning the apartment. That was such a great event.
Yeah, but too bad we didn't win.
Well, if you get good grades in your classes this semester, guess what? We can do it again this year.
You got yourself a deal, Mom. And this time we're gonna win for sure.
Oh yeah. So, how are you doing?
I'm level 72 and my farm is almost complete. Yes! I just finished the crossword puzzle perfectly.
Oh, give me 5.
Alright, love you. Thanks for dropping me off at school.
No problem, honey, and I love you too. You have a great day at school, okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Finally, I got you now, Simone. You're gonna pay for what you did to my wife 6 years ago. Like the Bible says, an eye for an eye. Hey kid, do you know where the teacher's parking lot is?
Yeah, it's on the other side of the school. This is where the parents drop off their kids.
Oh, okay. Well, it's just I'm the new history teacher, and this is my first day, so I got a bit lost.
Oh, okay, bye.
Wait, hold on a second. I don't have my glasses, and I'm a bit lost. Is there any way you can point here on the map where it is?
My mom told me not to get close to strangers.
Well, your mom's a smart person, but I'm not a stranger. I'm Mr. Rupert, the history teacher. What's your name?
Darnell.
Well, there you go, Darnell. Now I know who you are, and you know who I am. So we're not strangers anymore, are we?
I guess not.
Good, now just come point to me on the map where the teacher's parking lot is.
Here, it's right next to the park, playground.
Now come over here. Be quiet, you little twerp.
Surveillance. All right, who in here can spell the word surveillance? Anyone? What about you, Maria?
SURVEILANCE?
Almost. What about you, Tanya?
SUVELNSE?
Not quite. It is SURVEILLANCE.
Shoot, I wasn't even close.
All right, class, so remember your spelling test is tomorrow morning, so be sure to practice your exercises in your textbook. And remember, practice makes perfect.
Miss Jones, how many questions are going to be on the test?
It's going to be 30 multiple choice questions with 20 correct the spelling questions and a one-page essay.
That's a lot of questions. I don't think I can do it, Miss Jones. Spelling and writing is just too hard.
I understand, Maria. But remember why you're doing this, and that is because these skills will give you better job opportunities so that you can move up in the world and give your family a better life.
Ms. Jones, do you have any tips on making learning how to spell more entertaining? It's just that after a while from those books, it gets really boring.
That's a great question, Tanya. And actually I do. It's something that's helped me in improving my spelling skills. I want the class to pull out their phones and download this app called Word Farm Adventure. You see, guys, Word Farm Adventure allows you to solve crossword puzzles and complete word Scrabble missions. There's so many levels to choose from, with amazing locations to rebuild, such as the farm and the villa, and many more coming very soon. The more levels you win, the more tasks you complete, and the quicker you'll get to restore the villa back to its former glory.
Mrs. Jones, I need help downloading the app.
Okay, here, let me help you. By the way, the Word Farm Adventure app is now available on Android and iOS. And if you click the link in this description right now, you'll receive a welcome bonus. But you have to click the link in the description for it to work.
Wow, thank you, Mrs. Jones. This game looks like a lot of fun. I'll definitely get better at spelling now.
Absolutely. And you're welcome, Maria. You know, my favorite part of the game is the county fair location. It reminds me of my childhood, and I just love that you can decorate it however you want to. And the crossword puzzles are a lot of fun. All right, class, keep playing Word Farm Adventure for the next 10 minutes. Hey, baby, what's wrong? Why are you calling me during school hours?
Hello, Simone.
Who is this, and why do you have my son's phone? Is he okay?
Darnell is fine, for now.
Oh my gosh, mister, please don't hurt my baby.
Don't worry, if you do everything I tell you to do, Darnell will be just fine. But if you don't, you'll have to put his body back together.
No, there's no reason for that. I'll do exactly what you say. Just please don't hurt my boy.
Good, now listen up. You can't tell anybody about me, or can't call the cops. You got that? I said you got that?
Yes, I won't call the cops or tell anyone else about this.
Perfect. You have 30 minutes to get to the location. I just text you. If you don't get to that location in time, you can say goodbye to your son.
Just please don't hurt my boy. I will be there, I promise.
Well, then I'll see you there.
Wait, can I please speak to my baby? I just want to make sure that he's okay.
Fair enough. Come here, boy. Your mom wants to talk to you. Make it quick.
Mom, please help me.
Baby, don't worry, I'm coming.
I'm scared, and it's dark in here.
Don't worry, baby. Everything is gonna be okay, okay? Just be strong for mommy, okay?
Why is this happening to us, Mom?
That's enough. You have 30 minutes, starting now.
Wait, hold on. Darnell? Darnell!
Mrs. Jones, is everything okay?
Yes, Maria, everything's fine. I just have to take care of something really quick. So I need to go. All right, guys, class is dismissed. An emergency came up, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Okay. Do now? My baby's in trouble, and oh my gosh, I'm running out of time.
Excuse me, is everything all right?
It's just that my son is in the hospital. He was in a huge accident, and as you can see, my tires are slashed, and he's gonna be in the hospital all alone.
There. Everything's gonna be all right. I know exactly how you feel. My son was in a huge accident and was in the hospital for a week before he passed away.
I'm so sorry about your loss.
Thank you. He was the kindest kid in the world. Here, take these.
I couldn't ask you to do that. That's too much.
Take it. I'm about to go teach a 4-hour class, so I won't need them anyways.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. Now go be with your son.
Thank you so much. This means the world to me. I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name.
I'm Mr. Smith. And yours?
I'm Simone Jones. Thank you so much for this kind gesture.
Don't mention it. Now go be with your son. It's that car right over there.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll be back in 3 hours, okay?
See you. Good luck. You're gonna need it, Simone. Especially Darnell.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And again, a big thank you to Word Farm Adventure for sponsoring this video. Word Farm Adventure app is available now on Android and iOS. And if you click the link in the description right now, you'll receive a welcome bonus. But you have to click the link in the description. And we will also pin it in the comment section. Make sure to share this video with all your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Because remember, here at Generation Hope, we are trying to make the world a better place, one story at a time.